Hey guys, how do you become Mr. Beast? How do you get millions and millions of subscribers? Manage expectations is one of them. If you don't want to sleep is another thing. If you're passionate and OCD about YouTube videos since you're like 12 years old, that's one more factor. I can go on and really getting serious about my own YouTube channel. Question is, how do I get it to grow? How do I get it to flourish? Manage expectations, right? Mr. Beast is a whole nother level. I have so much respect for him. He is beyond the stratosphere. I would love to become him, but you know what? Reality is, it's not going to happen. He has dedicated his life to this, and I give him so much credit. I was talking with my guys just the other day. He started out with a person who essentially doesn't like to talk. He's not somebody who's friendly. He goes out there, he's pretty subdued. So what did he do? He did something that was like completely against that. So he's overcome his fear. So I like to think that in doing this YouTube channel, he's really put himself in a position where he's empowered himself. And I give him so much credit. He has Crohn's colitis, which stopped him from becoming a good baseball player. I understand that he was going to go that route, but running to the bathroom too many times, that's going to stop you from doing that. I also have Crohn's colitis. Luckily, it doesn't seem like it's as bad as he had it, but I understand. There are some things, I'm not trying to say I can relate to him at all. I'm just putting out there that Mr. Beast is like ridiculous. I love him. He's amazing. And I love that he's doing good to this world right now. I'm somebody also who loves to make people happy and smile, like whatever it is, right? I never had the patience to be a lawyer or a doctor to help people out. So I started the computer repair service route. With that, I get pleasure from bringing back a computer that's fixed. Before New York Computer helped, it was Best Buy and Geek Squad and all these folks, CompUSA, that used to take advantage of people. And so I feel we don't do that. We work with the customer. Just yesterday, I spoke with a customer and I said, you know what? Your computer's 15 years old. I know you want to fix it. We can do that, but we could do it as minimally invasive as possible. If it's a complete overhaul, don't do it. It's not worth it. I don't want to take your money if it doesn't make sense. So that's how we've been approaching this. I love how Mr. Beast goes and has an MO of the same thing, just making sure that everybody's happy. And I just wanted to basically shout him out. And like everybody else has been doing, I'm a big fan. And if you want to become Mr. Beast, be a fanatic. Don't sleep. It's all you need to do is videos. Just, again, manage expectations. If that's something that you don't have the bandwidth to do, if you have a family, if you have a job, if you have other things going on in your life, just understand that. If you have 100% time on your hands and you can be the next Mr. Beast, go for it. I'd love to see it. Write in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you want to become the next one. And if you want to try to become the next one, I should say. And again, Mr. Beast is a god. And I just wanted to shed some light on that. All right? Have a good one.